I was trying to come up with something witty and funny to say, and I got nothing. This is another virtual model railroad show. You guys have done some more awesome work. We're showcasing 5 more viewer model railroads. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. I'm drinking some Donut Shop coffee today. You can check out some of the coffees that my viewers are drinking right here. If you want yours featured, just put it in the comments below. Cheers, guys. Okay, so today it's another virtual model railroad show. If you don't know what this is, I basically show off viewer model railroads, and I show them in all levels of construction. So you're going to see some different stages of model railroads being built in this episode today. Let's start off with these pictures from Debbie May.
Debbie has a great in-scale layout they're working on right here. It looks really awesome, like a ton of fun to run. I love that little yard right there. It just looks like, I love all the little details that they're building into it, including you see the little cop car right over there on the left. And there's just a lot of cool little things. I love this little old box car right here that's either a hobo shack or something. It used to be storage. Looks really awesome. Here's another shot of the yard right there. Great job, Debbie. Really, really loving this.
Next up, we have Derek Polka, and he has a 3D printed thing on his. It's pretty cool.
Now, Derek's in the stage of layout building that I like to call the Great Foam and Western, kind of like a Plywood Pacific. Kind of looks like almost like a bigger version of Steve's Train's 2x3 in-scale layout. I really like the power that he has here, the Burlington power, especially the silver diesel. Really looks awesome. But this is my favorite thing. This is a 3D printed street car. This looks really great. Great job. I am absolutely loving this.
Next up, it's Sam Dickerson.
Now, Sam sent this in. This is actually his best friend William's layout that they are working on. So it's under construction right here. Got a lot of stuff going on here, and you can see he's getting ready to probably plastering over some mountains right there. But overall, looks really, really good what he's got going on so far. I love these cars right here. I love the weathering on them and things like that. And you can see that like he has some scenes that are getting a lot closer. Like this one, you can tell is just going to look really cool. The ballast already looks really good. And I love just the way that the cars are set out and how they're going to be put up and spotted and things like that. And I love this little engine shed as well because I see a little Alco right there, and I love Alcos.
Now check out these videos from Sam Beecher, aka Emperor's Path.
Now Sam, aka Emperor's Path, he's got a YouTube channel. These are some video clips from his YouTube channel. He gave me permission to show them. I really love showing this kind of stuff. By the way, I'm going to put a link to his channel right up here as well as in the description below. And he just has a great model railroad going on right here. I love showing European and British model railroads because here in the States, we don't have nearly as much modern passenger traffic as our European and British counterparts. So seeing this kind of stuff is just really fun to see. I also love the weathering that he's done on his cars and rolling stock. They look really, really, really good. So great job, Sam. This looks really fantastic. Once again, I'm going to put his YouTube channel in the description below, so check that out. Looks absolutely phenomenal. I can't wait to see more.
Here's a great model railroad from Philip Baker.
Philip's got a nice big old HO scale layout that he's done a lot of scenery on. It's getting close to being what I call functionally complete because no layout's ever really complete, but it's looking really great. Love this other look around there. It looks like just an absolute ton of fun to run. There's my favorite shot that I put as the thumbnail for the video. Looks awesome, Philip. I love seeing all this kind of stuff. I love the yard right there. I love all the little details. This just looks like a labor of love and a ton of fun to just have a good train day and play around with. Great job.
If you want your model railroad featured, I am filling up the 2023 calendar with spots. Go ahead and send me an email with some pictures in the email in the description below. I do ask one thing, that you give one overall photo of your model railroad. That helps out a ton in showing everybody your awesome work. Until next time, stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.